Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to our Christmas special. It is flipping cold here in the UK and we're all scared to turn on the heating just in case we have to remortgage the house. However, we have got 7 lucky winners to get some nice free kits sent out to them free of charge, which we'll be going over in a bit. But actually we'll start off with the first one just here, right? This was one of the kits we were giving away. It is the MiG-29. It is by ICM in 1/72nd scale. Now, after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down the thread, I came to Glen Eagles. So congratulations you, Glen Eagles, you are the winner. Now if you are the winner, all you got to do is give me an email or some sort of, anywhere on the contact section and give me your mailing address so I can get this kit shipped out to you free of charge, as well as all the other prizes that are going to be going on in this show. Just a quick one, I have been working on the Harrier just here. We are all basically, well, not quite all sprayed, but almost there. If we just sort of bring you in a little bit closer on this. As you can see, this is an all-round sort of camo pattern, which has been, it's not your usual sort of, the undersides maybe one colour and then it's camo on the top. It does change things a little bit in the sense of when we roll up our little sausages with our white tack, it's quite interesting how it really does kind of almost just keep wrapping around and wrapping around. So you do sort of need to, unless you're going to do massive long sausages, you do kind of need to know how to sort of massage them in. I'll show you how to do that in the last episode that went up, and you sort of like massage it in on the model to kind of sort of re-roll it sort of thing, so it all looks nice, to bring 2 pieces of those sausages together. I have still got to go off and do the bleaching for our green here, and I sort of explain the ways of sort of going about camo patterns, because I mean, when you've got pre-shading, bleaching and post-shading and different camo patterns going on here, it's a little bit like, when do you do it, don't you do it, and I'll kind of show you how I prefer it. So that is coming along rather nicely, and we'll see some more episodes even over Christmas as well. Next competition prize, which was this one, as we're building up, we have the de Havilland Vampire F3. This is 1/48 scale. It's by Airfix. It was new tool this year as well, so pretty nice kit. Got a bit more expensive, but still really cool kit. Now, after doing again the random number generation program and counting down the thread, I came to Fantony 72. So congratulations you, Fantony or Photony 72, you are the winner. Again, give me your mailing address and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. I'm just going to jump straight into basically our big winner just here, right? I mean, we did have a lot of you get in on the competition section and sort of get your posts in and stuff, and a lot of nice entries, and this was the big one we got here. It is the EA18G Growler. It's by Hobby Boss. It's 1/48 scale. Looks like an absolutely amazing kit, right? Looks like it kind of beats like the whole Hasegawa 1/48 scale kits, although I do believe Ming's done one as well now, so we're getting quite spoiled when it comes to things like FA18s, which is rather cool. And our big winner for this is Whiskey 80. So congratulations you, Whiskey 80, you are the winner. Again, give me a shipping address and I'll get that mail out to you free of charge. Now, we have got a bunch of runner-up prizes, right? We've got all this which was given to us by Ammo. It is their Red Fox sort of 3D printed acrylic instrument display panels. They do look rather nice. There is 4, so whoever kind of emails me first with their mailing address, they can pick which one they want, and then so on and so on. So the last person to email me with your mailing address will have whatever's left. So I'll just quickly run through them. We had, for our first one, it was, hold on, I'll just get my little piece of paper out here. It was Phil Fister. You are also a runner-up, as well as Remy. You are also a runner-up, and Gamer Level Dad as well and Mark Lilly. So congratulations, you four. You are our runners up. Be quick to get it in, not just to kind of be able to pick which ones, but everyone who has won, the quicker you get it into me, the quicker I get it shipped out and hopefully get it to you before Christmas. Fingers crossed, because we are down to the last days to get things posted for Christmas. So yeah, fingers crossed. If not, you'll probably get it for the new year. Now I'm going to probably have a little bit of time off. You'll probably see me back in like the first week of January, where I'll probably start off with a show. Be honest with you, I'll probably just get bored and end up working on the Harrier anyway, and probably whack up a couple of episodes of Harrier over Christmas for you guys to enjoy. Other than that, I really do hope you have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you have a fantastic New Year. I hope you get everything that you wanted. You enjoy whatever kits you've got, have the time off to sort of build them and enjoy them, and just have a fantastic Christmas. So until next time, as always, my name is Bobby Waldron. This is Genessis Models, and I'll catch you later.